Hello everyone, so today we are here with you in an auto parts dealership, and this company actually manufactures all car parts from Chevrolet to Hyundai, Lexus, Toyota, Honda, and many more. So as you can see here, they make all these air filters and also fuel pumps, fuel injectors. They also make other control parts, and this is the hydraulic transmission oil. They make gasoline engine oil. They also make diesel oil at a very affordable price. Very good stuff, very good stuff. They make all these kind of motor rollers. They also have the car switches. Okay, so these are for like the switches in the car, the controls, the left turn controls, the right turn controls, and all the other kind of car switches. You can see they make the bearings, have brake parts, different brake parts, and then also the engine part, and also the chain wheels, as well as the engine belt. So they make all these kind of engine belts to fit your requirements. So no matter what car that you want them to work on or to manufacture the parts for you, they'll do it for you based on your specifications. So you can see all the different parts, the different gear knobs, right? Amazing stuff, very good quality, very cheap, affordable prices. Here, you can see the different types of oils that they make for the car parts like I showed you. And not just for small vehicles, they also have it for bigger, heavy duty machineries like these ones, excavators, trucks, wheel loaders, and many more. And then they make all the engine oil parts that you want. Not just that, they also make tires. You can see different kinds of tires to fit different kinds of cars and also motorbikes. So these are the tires, whatever specification that you want them to make for you. You can see very solid, very good grip. Do not hesitate to contact us to source your car parts from here in China at a very affordable price.